The Nike Air Max Plus Doernbecher by Sergio Cano Marquez is set to make waves in spring 2026 as part of the annual Doernbecher Freestyle collection, a program that empowers young patients to design their own sneakers. This release highlights Sergio's imagination through a completely mismatched setup, one of the most creative Air Max pairs in years. The right shoe comes in bold black, packed with gaming details like controller buttons, Tetris-style patterns, and colorful hand-drawn graphics. Meanwhile, the left shoe delivers an entirely different vibe with a clean white base showcasing monster lizards, pizza themes, and a vibrant New York skyline. The pair also includes pizza-inspired insoles, pebbled orange leather nodding to Sergio's love for basketball, and lenticular patches that reveal his signature S logo. Designed to celebrate individuality and inspire hope, the Air Max Plus Doernbecher retails for $180 and drops on Nike SNKRS in spring 2026. This is a must-watch release for sneaker fans.